Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add cards claim to claim the reward. If you have not started this airdrop, I urge you to start. It's gonna definitely pay us, and I'll drop the link on the description of this video. So now let me show you how to add cards to your nickname on Telegram to be able to get a 300 reward. But before I start, look at my balance here. I have 5,513 cars. So I'm going to do this now so that I'll get a 300 reward. I need to do it. I'm going to copy this art here. If I copy this card here, then I'll go to my Telegram profile to add it. First, hold this card, hold it to copy it. Hold it. Yes. Now you click on copy. I've copied the cards on this add cards to the nickname. I've copied it. Now let's go to my Telegram profile. On my Telegram profile, click on my profile. Look at these three dots here at the top right. Click on it. Now click on edit info. On this edit info, now I'm going to add this card I copied so that I will get the reward. Now hold it here, paste. I've pasted the card. See the card here, I've pasted it. And now mark this good. Click on this good here. I've added card to my nickname. You can see the card here. Now let's go back to the card. Let's go back to the card. Back to the cards, both. Now click on this check. Can you see task is completed, and my balance has increased. I have before 5,530, and I have now 5,813 cars. I can now do other tasks. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. There will be a link on the description. Please use that link and start. It's very simple to do. Thank you.